Struggling with complex Excel formulas or constantly waiting on your engineering team just to get a simple data report? What if you could just talk to your spreadsheet in plain English and have it do the hard work for you? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at how to use Sourcetable to analyze your data with AI in 2026. Sourcetable is essentially the world's smartest spreadsheet. It combines the familiar layout of Excel with the brainpower of ChatGPT and the analytical strength of Python. The coolest part? You don't have to constantly export and import CSV files. Sourcetable features built-in data connectors that link directly to the tools you already use, like Postgres, Stripe, Notion, Google Analytics, and Facebook ads. Once connected, everyone on your team instantly becomes a data scientist. To get started, you just ask questions in plain English. The AI assistant can instantly write formulas, clean up messy datasets, and generate beautiful charts and graphs to help you spot trends. If you need to do deeper work, it even integrates Python for custom data science tasks without forcing you to write a single line of code yourself. And for peace of mind, Sourcetable states that their language models are not trained on your private data. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Since Sourcetable is a highly specialized and evolving platform, there aren't a ton of public user reviews online yet. However, from what we can see, the major pro is how much time it saves by pulling live data directly from your business apps and letting you query it with AI. On the flip side, because it brings together Excel, Python, and AI, there might be a slight learning curve if you want to use its most advanced developer features. Overall, if you're in finance, operations, or marketing, Sourcetable is an incredibly powerful assistant that can make your daily workflow 10 times easier. You can try it out for yourself by heading over to sourcetable.com and signing up for free. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI for your data this year. See you in the next video.